play other people's songs, I just can't remember them. I barely remember mine. This next one's called Seasons. It's a new one. Let's see if I can pull this one off. The purpose of this song is about, it's a fictitious song I was writing, and it's about this guy or girl that's waiting on a man, and they're together, but they never really made that commitment to marriage or anything, and she leaves every, so often and comes back every so often, but, he or she is faithful to each other, and it's just kind of like, I don't know. I'll wait for you till the flowers bloom, and I'll see you through. White linens in our room, the sunlight hits you just right when the moonlight comes. You'll be leaving soon, but I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you till the seasons change. Quiet like a lamb, now the penetrating silence shakes all I am, and I'll wait.